Can you guys like, please?
Here are all of Danny's. This is what we narrowed it down to so far.
Yes! Finally, today's video, we're gonna pick out the freaking paint on the 300. It's finally here. Yes, be excited. I am so hyped. So with that said, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this awesome series of painting the 300. Probably the biggest thing I've done myself. Keep watching and you'll understand. Smash that thumbs up, please. It helps out the channel so much. With that said, enjoy today's video and happy Saturday. Just have to throw the bumper back on just to get a really good representation of how the car would look like. Yes, we're finally gonna go ahead, pick out the color for the 300. This build's gonna look so clean. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, little intercooler action. Oh. Should I take on the Jenny? Nah, I feel like we're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. Right now, let me know in the comments below, what color would you like to see this car? I have my mindset on a couple, but let me know right now in the comment section below. Bruh, literally parked away from every single person. Although this car's paint isn't great, so I don't know why I did that. Now, should I take on this convertible 350? No disrespect, but I think for this we're good. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if that's a DE or not. Did they make a charging convertible? I don't know. Oh, it's taking off. Yo, I'm so late. I'm so late. We made it.
How'd it come out?
Yo, she looks good. ¿Parece real?
Sí, porque sí. 4D.
Son iguales.
Más claro.
Estos son iguales. Casi todos son iguales. Lo único es baja y sube. I would have kept it simple. Now you're gonna have like.
Yo lo vamos a imitarlo, so we gotta keep it very simple.
Mira. Man, no le des más idea, man, porque cada semana me dice un color diferente. Mira acá. Ahorita digo.
Mira, este o el rojo, o the other one.
Este está bueno también.
Nah, but that's like a purple.
¿Sí?
Un morado. ¿Me gusta este o el otro rojo que está? The same one, right?
Now that it's white.
Bruh. This is your like handy-down car, right?
Nah.
It's got good wheels though. Oh, it's got the white body now.
Yeah, of course. It got
Bruh. Look at this.
Yeah, it's going wide.
You know what? I kind of like the white though.
Yeah, it doesn't look
It's not bad. Bro, those wheels though. Is he gonna put spacers or get new wheels?
He's gonna get 2-inch spacers.
I'm out.
You like hyper blue? Eh?
Which one's that one?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Muy... Dude, you gotta be more artistic like your dad. Like your dad's, I feel like your dad's more excited than you are.
No, my dad's just wild.
Alright boys, and if you're wondering who's gonna paint this car, Lucas, you wanna tell him?
Who's gonna paint it?
Who's gonna paint this car?
Danny's gonna paint it.
You're not gonna... How many days do you think it would take? Cause I'm thinking a weekend. Like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday type of thing.
Just to paint it?
Well, that's the thing. I feel like we should take a day
To sand it?
to sand it. I go home, come back. Well, whatever you think.
I mean, it's possible. It's definitely possible. You don't have a lot of
Yeah.
body weight to do.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a small two-door car, so. No, that's kind of too light. Even your dad said it. We can't go that light on the car, because whenever I add something, it's never gonna match.
Hey, he's a full sand. Yeah.
Full sand. I know I'm showing you guys a lot of colors, but that doesn't mean any of these colors are gonna what I'm gonna go with. I don't think I'm gonna give it away.
Trust me, he can't make up his damn mind.
I can't.
Nothing he can do with.
I came here thinking red or blue, and then his dad just talked me into like going something super unique, and then this guy's showing me hyper blue, and then I liked it in white. So I don't know, guys. Comment down below, please.
Here are all of Danny's. This is what we narrowed it down to so far.
Ah, mira, y tenemos la misma luz de la frente. I don't know, pienso que está muy...
Estas luces se las puse yo.
I feel like it's too light though.
¿Y es ese color?
Ese mismo. I'm about to let Lucas down. He's never heard it, buddy. There's no exhaust.
Yeah, that's wild.
So, you need a car, right? Because your thing doesn't run?
Yeah, I need a car.
What if when we're done with that one, it's yours?
It's mine.
That'll be a sick car to have, I'm not even kidding.
Giveaway.
Not a
Hey,
not a giveaway, bro.
You get Danny to 100K, we're giving it away.
I'm pretty excited, not gonna lie, especially since we're doing it ourselves and we're gonna go with a unique color. I did show you guys a lot of colors, but obviously tomorrow we're gonna look at more. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna show you just to make it cooler when I do the grand reveal of the car. I'm probably looking into doing it, I would say mid-February around there. Oh look! Alright buddy, if that's what you're into. Alright, day 2. We're back at the shop. From here, I'm gonna pick up Lucas and we're gonna go to the actual paint booth. No, not paint booth, like the paint place, I guess you could say. But we're gonna finalize the color. Yeah. Yesterday my buddy actually edited so many cool pictures of the car with different colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all those on the screen right now. Boys, comment down below, what color would you like the car to be? Let me know. Dude, we gotta do a decent job. Like, we gotta prove to your dad that we can do this.
You're scaring me.
Is it harder to paint than other colors?
No, it's messy.
It's messy?
As hell. Yeah.
Really? What's the easiest color to paint?
The easiest?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never sprayed anything.
Well, from seeing your dad.
I'm gonna take a guess and say
White?
white or black. I'm pretty sure my dad likes doing black. Because he says in white you see a lot of...
Alright, it's a... Oh my god, bro. It happened again. I know there's Bondo up here, but... And then we gotta do this. That's also Bondo. He said he was in a little accident here. Little, exactly, yeah. People these days.
Little accident, but he did Bondo from up here.
So he Bondo's the whole car, just a little accident, you know, nothing big.
I got a little, only used a little bit of filler on the whole.
I know I have rust, but like, it could be this bad. Actually, yeah, it probably just surfaced.
Looks like it, right? Like there's no holes.
Yeah.
Like there's no...
Dude, I don't even know where I would start with this. Like, what's the first thing you would do? Well, probably get a fender. Get another fender.
I'd mount the body off of the chassis and then go get the frame redone. Start from there.
Yeah, I'm excited. Kind of nervous though. Bro, we're painting a whole car.
I know.
Wait, have you ever sprayed anything?
I've sprayed a couple of things, like little things.
I mean, we did the bumper. Okay, so this is what I was gonna talk to you guys about. If you have not seen it yet, we sprayed this bumper with rattle can, and it surprisingly came out really good. Look, oh dude, look, yep, I definitely messed it up. But it came out good, I'm not gonna lie.
You left your mark, I think.
Yep, the primer's just everywhere. I don't know, and this is a smaller car, so I mean, it won't take as long, I guess. And prepping's not really gonna be that hard. Do you think we should take out the front bumper and the rear bumper, or things like that? I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, the front we're definitely gonna take out.
Useful.
The rear probably as well. I don't think it's that hard to take out the rear.
That'll make it a cleaner job. You'll have more like the jams and stuff.
Yeah. Tail lights, I know how to take that out pretty easily. Headlights, I'll take out. We're gonna take out all the trim, mask everything.
Do the mirrors come off easy?
Oh, that's an, I don't know. We're gonna have to look it up. Well, it just depends what color we go with. We're also gonna go ahead and paint the wheels. But that's a lot easier. And that'll probably be something for another day. Do we use regular paint?
For the wheels?
Yeah. Yeah.
And a clear coat. friends. For your friends, not like random bums.
But not super deep though. I still want to see some kind of.
This one a little crazy.
Bro, imagine. Let me see this bread up to the car. Can you guys like? Ooh, yellow. You want a yellow?
I did. Yellow look cool.
Yo, we already got the TJ Hunt special. Look at this green. Look at this Ferrari green. No, you're not. What is this from? Citroen. Alright, we're gonna go ahead, choose a color. I'm gonna put the camera down. I can't really say if we're gonna go red, if we're gonna go green, if we're gonna go blue. Like, look at this. Look at the colors. So we're gonna choose one and then I'll get back to you guys.
What is
What's
up?
advice? What's the advice for the day?
Advice for the day.
Motivational speech. 3, 2, 1, go.
Motivational speech of the day. Follow your dreams, you know? Danny's just a guy with a camera, you know?
Alright, Lucas. We get a color?
3 of them.
I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video. Basically just picking out the color for the 300, kind of hyping you guys up a little bit, hyping myself up a little bit, and just getting prepared because it's gonna be an insane series. Really hope you guys are excited. I really do. A lot of work is gonna be put into this car, well, more than it's already had, that it has been put in. So yeah, but it's gonna be super sick. We're gonna learn a lot, and the color's clean with the rims. Ooh. Stay tuned, boys. I'll see you next time. Peace. Comment below what you think I went with or what I should go with. I actually don't want to end today's video. I really, throughout this series of me building the 300ZX, everything we've done, now paint, which is something so relatively big, I really just want to show you guys that you don't need to be a big YouTuber, and you don't need the most money to be able to do cool things that you enjoy and you like, and be able to build one of your dream cars, or just like any project car that you want to do. You don't need all that. With that said, hopefully we don't mess up the paint or I will regret what I'm saying. I'm just kidding. It's all for fun and I hope you guys are enjoying it. Now I'm gonna go. Peace.